Hey little people, what's up? This is your Joshua with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to learn how to play Baby Shark. This song is very popular around the little people in my life, and I thought I'd share this with you guys. So it's very simple, and we're going to go right into this. I'm going to show you guys two versions. I'm going to show you the original key, which is in the key of G major. Then I'm also going to show you the easier version, which is in the key of C major. But this is going to be a very simple song, so it shouldn't take long to break down. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're in the key of G major to start out this song, and what I'm going to just do is show you the left hand first, then I'm going to show you the right hand, then we're going to bring both parts together. Okay, so to start off, these are the chords that we're going to need. First chord is a G major chord, which is G, B, D. Next chord, C major chord. Next chord, E minor chord, E, G, B. Last chord is a D major chord, so D, F sharp, A. That's it, guys. So the first chord, G, B, D. Next chord, C, E, G. Next chord, E, G, B. Next chord, D, F sharp, A. Okay? Now, the easier way to play this is to take out that middle note. Play G and D. So instead of playing a C major chord, we're just going to play C and E, C and G, then E and B, D and A. Okay, I'm just going to take it down here, guys. So the first chord again, G and D, C and G, E and B, D and A. Okay. So right hand is also very easy. Right hand is only going to be playing a few notes. We're only using about 4 notes. We're going to use just these 4 over here. So we're going to go then repeats. Okay, so that's all you need for your right hand. So just slow that down until you get it down. Then you're going to add in your left hand. So we're going to now slowly bring both hands together. I'm only going to play the open chords in my left hand. So it's going to be a G and a D. Right hand is going to go. One more time. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole song. Now we're going to move it into the key of C major, which is the easiest one. So the key of C major just uses all white notes, so it's going to be a lot easier than G major. Okay, so we're going to use the exact same chords, but now we're just going to play them in the key of C major. So let me show you what this is going to sound like. All right, that's pretty much it. So similar to the first song, what I'm going to do is show you the chords first in your left hand. Then I'm going to show you a different way to play them. So the first chord we need is a C major chord. So C, E, G. Next chord, F major chord, F, A, C. Next chord, A minor, A, C, E. Then the next chord after that, which is the last one, is a G major chord. So G, B, D. Okay, so one more time. C major chord, F major chord, A minor chord, and a G major chord. Now the easier way to play this is to take out the middle note. So we're going to play C and G, F and C, A and E. The last one is a G and D. Okay. Now right hand is going to play the same melody, so it's going to just go G, B. So we're going to play these 4 notes just to keep it simple. So that's it. Now we're going to bring both hands together. It's going to sound like this. Now let me play it with the chords. It's going to sound like this. All right, so that's the whole song. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the whole song. So if you like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way. So we're going to end this here. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.